I'm going to show you how to embed a video that you find on YouTube. Embedding is a term that simply means taking, in this case, a video from YouTube, and we're not actually going to move the video. What we do is we take some code, it's called HTML code, and we take that little piece of code and we take it and that has to do with the video and we put it on our website or our blog or our wiki, and what that does is allows people to view this particular video through a window on our website, blog, or wiki that we've made with that code. And they're really easy to get. For example, let's say I have found this pretty good dog mushing video here on YouTube, and I would like to put this video on my website and maybe in my blog and my wiki as well. And it's really simple to do. On any YouTube video, what you do is you scroll down a little bit, and everybody knows there's this little about button here, but right next to it is this kind of hidden button that says share. It's a little bit fainter. And so when I click on that button, it highlights and it says share this video. Now I can either get a link to it, but what I really want is I want to embed. See this button right here? I want to embed the video. When I click that button, YouTube gives me this little box of code. This is called HTML code, or we call it an embed code. Since it's already highlighted for me, I'm just going to click edit and copy it, or you can just go Command C to copy that little piece of code. Now I've got it copied. So if I go to my Weebly site and I decide that I want to put that video in my page, what I do over here on the side is I go down and I find the tool that says, a lot of people think it's the YouTube button. If we're going to do it this way, what you find is this little button here that says embed code, and I take it and I drag it over here where I want it to be, okay, and then I click inside of it, and I can go edit paste, or I can just go Command V, and there's that code that I'd copied from YouTube. Okay, and so if I just click outside of this window, now I've embedded that video into my Weebly site. And that's about how easy that is to embed video into your Weebly site. If I want to put a video into my Blogger blog, for example, this is my blog and it's in Blogger just like yours is. And I want to put up a post that has video in it. So I click New Post. And one of the things that you may remember when you built, excuse me, when you built your Blogger blogs is that there are two buttons over here. One is Compose and one is HTML. The Compose mode means you're just going to be writing. That's the mode you want to be in if you're just typing text. So I might type some text. Watch the dog sledding video below. Now I want to put that video in here. I can't just paste the code here. If I do that, it'll just look like this, and it will print that way. It will show that way when I publish my blog. That's not what I want to do. So I'm going to get rid of that. That was the code, remember, that I pasted from the YouTube video. Instead, what I want to do is switch over to HTML. Okay, and now I want to put my cursor down here. There's the text that I typed above with code involved. And now I can paste that code in here. Okay, that's where it belongs. So when I publish this, and I go and I view my blog, now I see that video is embedded into my post. There's the text that I typed in, but then I switched over to HTML mode and the video embedded right here. So that's exactly what I want. Now I don't have to link to the video over in YouTube. I can just play the video, and people who want to see it can watch it right here. And now I'm going to show you one more place how to embed video, and this is on your wikis. So I'm going to go to a wiki site that we've got set up. This is for a student, Tristan. And on Tristan's wiki site, he wants to embed that same dog mushing video. And this is pretty easy to do on a wiki site as well. You just click your edit button. What you're going to need, you put your cursor where you want the widget to go, and this is going to be a widget, and you notice that it is called an embed widget. And it gives you all different kinds of things you can embed, but right now what we're going to do is we're going to click Other HTML. And there's the box, and I'm just going to paste in that same embed code that I originally copied from that YouTube video way back then. And I'm going to click Save. And here's how it looks before I save it. It's just sitting here as a widget, and it's got that embed code in it. And when I click Save, here's my wiki with that video embedded in it. So that's how you embed a YouTube video into a Weebly site, into a blog post, and into a wiki page. And that video is just simply gotten by going down to Share and clicking the Embed button under the YouTube video that you want. And this little group of code here is what you want to grab.